BOXABL just announced a strategic investment from DR Horton, Inc., the largest home builder in the U.S. In addition to the investment, the company has purchased a very large pilot order of casitas and also plans to assist BOXABL in product development. This all sounds like great news for BOXABL and investors, with such an established company validating BOXABL as a real solution to the affordable housing crisis. But what does it mean for the consumer? Okay, I won't make you wait for the question we all want the answer to. Does this huge order from DR Horton, Inc. mean you'll have a longer wait for your BOXABL? Well, the answer from BOXABL founder Galliano Tiramani is BOXABL customers will live in and buy casitas deployed by DR Horton. This sounds like a great thing for the first BOXABL retail customers, because remember, the $50,000 BOXABL price tag is just for the room module alone. It doesn't include land, shipping, foundation build, utility hookup, permits, or customizations. The fact that the largest home construction company in the U.S. with over 40 years of success in the industry will be assisting BOXABL with product development and deployment is going to take a huge amount of guesswork out of the BOXABL setup process. You'll be working directly with a company who knows what they're doing when it comes to site setup. And you won't have to worry about contracting out with several different people to get your BOXABL delivered and set up. DR Horton could potentially handle all of that, which means this connection will make the BOXABL buying process even quicker and possibly more affordable, because having one company to deal with all the extras mentioned above should save you a lot of money when it comes to those additional costs. I know the next question is, what are those additional costs going to be? Well, as we mentioned in other videos, BOXABL anticipated that additional costs could range anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000, not including the cost of land, and that was even dependent on the location of your site. Now, these numbers were originally estimated before March 2020, and prices have certainly fluctuated since, especially for transportation. So that $50,000 cap may be closer to $75,000 or even higher. As of now, we don't have a lot of information about this strategic connection, but we can take a look at DR Horton and see if we can find some answers. So let's look at the possible reasons for DR Horton Inc. making this investment. According to their Q2 2022 earnings call, construction cycle times have increased by 2 months since 2021 due to supply chain issues and labor shortages. This, in turn, has tied up a significant portion of the company's capital. So it makes sense for them to seek a connection with BOXABL, who will have already produced the home product, which can be set up in just one afternoon once it reaches the site. Another reason for this connection is general affordability concerns. Because of rising mortgage rates, the cancellation rate for DR Horton Inc. home purchases increased from 15% to 16%, mainly because buyers haven't been able to qualify for the mortgages. And although this rate is low, the company seemed to consider adjusting some products to smaller sizes depending on the given market. The co-chief operating officer of DR Horton did say that he didn't see that there would be a significant change in how they build what they build, which makes me think that they could be planning to stack or connect multiple casitas to increase the 375 square foot floor plan to something closer to the sizes of the houses they normally build. Although BOXABL has been hinting at BOXABL villas being set up in recent social media posts, So this could be related to the DR Horton connection, since they mainly build their homes in community settings. So, as far as how much site setup will cost with this new connection, we don't know yet. But in 2022, DR Horton's most affordable homes have had price points just below $200,000 for 1,200 square feet and up. With BOXABL's main mission being to create an affordable housing product, I'm sure that was taken into account when this connection was made. Hopefully, more specific information on pricing will be forthcoming as BOXABL completes their federal contract in the first half of May 2022. Overall, this should be a good thing for all concerned. Retail customers could get a true turnkey housing purchasing solution where transportation, land, site setup, permits, foundation build, utility hookup, and customization is all taken care of by one company and included in a mortgage product. And since DR Horton is an established giant in the home construction industry, getting financing for your BOXABL home, whether FHA, VA, or other loan products, should be an easier process. Also, as of March 31st, 2022, DR Horton Inc. has approximately 570,000 lots of land for home building across 33 U.S. states, which gives quite a number of possibilities as to where you can have a BOXABL. So, are you excited about the possibility of one-stop shopping for your BOXABL and on-site customization? Or are you concerned if DR Horton Inc. shares your definition of affordable? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have fun today.